Hey guys, welcome to my studio. We are going to do something a little different today. I'm going to do a flip through of this mixed media journal. I created this a while ago. Um, I used it to practice layering, my layering techniques. So you're going to see a lot of layering in here, a lot of mixed media. As I show you this little journal, I want to talk to you about some personal issues that I've been dealing with, and I want to offer a huge apology. Let me do a quick recap of what's been happening in the last couple months. A couple months ago, I started having some problems, health problems, and I didn't actually know I was having health problems. I was just really cold all the time. My hair started falling out. My nails became really brittle and cracked, and I didn't associate all that as one thing. I just, was individual things, getting old, that type of thing. So then I went to my doctor and she was like, nope, there's a problem here. And in the meantime, she decided to run some labs. But in the meantime, while I was waiting for that, my symptoms started getting worse. I stopped being able to remember things, not just your simple things either. I mean, like you walk into a room and you forgot why you're there. Yeah, I had that, but I had symptoms. I couldn't remember my phone number. And the problem was I didn't even know I didn't remember my phone number. When somebody asked me my phone number, I just started rattling off numbers. I didn't even know that I wasn't giving the right numbers. I couldn't remember my birthday. My birthday is very simple. It's 7/7. Not hard. And I remembered 7. I just, in my brain, they did not go together. So yeah, my doctor was like, yeah, there's a problem. So she ran some blood work and we did some more tests. Those came back and they were abnormal. So we had to run some more tests. So the problem is I have hypothyroidism. And since then I have started my meds. So hopefully I will be getting better soon, but they do take a while to get the correct dosage, which I'm probably not on just yet, but it's kind of, you have to wait and see how you react to it. In the meantime, I have made a major error here. And maybe you guys have been seeing my videos and noticed that things aren't mentally clicking for me, measurements and things like that. I've been making mistakes. But the biggest one is I recently uploaded a video and it wasn't supposed to come out yet. There was a video before it, and these videos are in sequence. And so I made a boo-boo and I accidentally posted the video that I was editing instead of the finished video. So there wasn't really an undo button once it went live, because it wasn't until 3 days later that I even realized that I had made that mistake. So I sincerely apologize. My videos are out of order now. And I just pray you guys are going to stick with me with this. I'm going to be making more mistakes, especially as they adjust my meds. And yeah, I'm going to do the best that I can, because I'm not giving up on this channel. I love this channel. I love you guys. And I'm going to keep at it. But another major symptom is fatigue. I am so tired all the time. So hopefully the new meds is going to give me a boost and I can just continue to come up with ideas. That's also a hard thing. Come up with ideas, come up with the energy, and it's not the filming and it's not talking to you guys, it's the editing. That really takes a lot out of me to do the editing. But anyways, I enjoy it. I love it. I'm going to stick with it. I love you guys. So I really hope you guys stick with me on this journey. I am going to get better, and I am truly sorry about the video mix-up. So sorry. Catch up though in the next one though. Just play them back to back if you can. If not, it's not that big of a deal. So thank you guys for staying with me, and thank you guys so much for subscribing and supporting me. It really is such a blessing. You guys are just, you wouldn't believe, every day. You guys' comments just tear me up, I tell you. I love you all. Have a blessed day.